So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to underline text here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go here to the left side, press some text, and I will just type in the word underline, and I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier to see. So the simplest way to do it and the most basic way is to press on the text right here, go to the top to where there's the U, or press on Command U, and that can actually add an underline to your text. So that's the simplest way. Now, if you want to customize the line, another way you can do it as well is to go to Elements right here, go to where it says Lines, press on See All, and for example, if you want the squiggly line right here, you can go ahead and make it a little bit larger, whatever the case may be, just like that. So there's my squiggly line. You can actually go ahead and group the two things together, and you can kind of play around with it this way in regards to the underline. So that's kind of a more tedious way. The simplest way, of course, is to just underline it like this, and if you want to undo it, Command U does the exact same thing here on a Mac. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can underline text here on a Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.